beautiful people, how are you doing today? My name is Shaz. This is Shazness Wellness, and today's video was just going to be bringing you in on the two types of programs that I offer as a gut health coach. So I get asked this often, and I'm actually taking on some new clients now, which is super exciting. So I'm going to leave you guys with all the info in the description below, but we'll walk through it together right now. So let's run through the 3-month mind, body, and spirit gut healing cleanse. I call it the ultimate package because it really is everything to set you up for lifelong changes. There are no band-aid solutions here at Shazness Wellness. We really want to understand why things are happening to your body, why you're showing physical symptoms, why your gut is being compromised. The very first thing that we do is an in-depth health assessment. I run through a bunch of symptoms. We talk about what's going on with you, your health history, and if you do have any blood work done, then you can just send it my way and I'm happy to look through that for you. From there, I create your program, which consists of a personalized nutrition plan, literally telling you exactly what you need to eat, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and everyone is different. Every time I have a health assessment, I ask people, how many meals and how many snacks would you like? They'll tell me 2 meals, 2 snacks. They'll tell me I actually don't get really hungry for breakfast. I rather just eat like a really big lunch and a big dinner and a snack. There are no right answers. Again, it's me helping you listen to your body and help you fuel what's best for you. It makes me really sad when I talk to clients and they have all these fears about food because they've worked with other professionals that have told them you can never eat this or you can never eat that, or you have to have 1,300 calories. Like I legit talked to a woman yesterday that told me that she was on a plan that made her eat 1,300 calories. Anyways, no one wants to measure food. Like at the end of the day, you do need to know how much calories you're putting into your body if you do have really big weight loss goals. But my goal with you is just to help you have a good relationship with food. My meal plans are really simple, okay? You're not gonna get like really extravagant recipes with me. It's sometimes your meal is straight up chicken, avocado, cucumber, salt, and pepper. Because I don't know about you, but ain't nobody got time to make a bunch of recipes all of the time. So your nutrition plan will be extremely customized to you and your goals. And then your supplement plan is really based on, again, the same thing. I'll suggest certain supplements that you need. And then on top of it, I can order supplements for you and help save you some cost. I worked out talking to a few companies and they've let me have access to a website where I can order supplements for you because 1, I know they're good quality. 2, it's just decreasing your exposure, especially during this pandemic time. And 3, it'll save you the time and the stress of trying to like have a scavenger hunt, finding the exact supplement that I want you to be on. And on top of it, I can save you on shipping costs and taxes. So you end up getting like 5% off. After the nutrition and the supplement plan is done, I create your specific mindset transformation exercises and self-love or spiritual techniques and tools to use to help you succeed in your individual wellness journey. Again, there's nothing really in depth I can explain because every single person is different. I have people that come to me with a lot of anxiety and we work with that. I have people that come to me with a really lack of self-love and we really dig into that. So the beautiful thing is that my program is mind, body, and spirit. So for example, I had a client that in the middle of our Candida cleanse, she had an ear infection and she needed to be on antibiotics. She was really stressed out about it, but there's nothing you can do. If antibiotics is what she needed at the time, that's fine. We worked around it. We doubled her probiotics. And instead of focusing so much on the body, which was needing to heal, and the antibiotics were kind of disrupting her system, which is normal. And it's expected with antibiotics. It does disrupt the gut flora. So we worked all week on spiritual and mental stuff to help keep her resilient, to release the anxiety around taking antibiotics and feeling like everything she was doing was being reversed, and I supported her a lot. So that leads to the final part, and the best part about the 3-month gut healing program is that you do get a lot of attention from me. So I message you a lot, I check in, and we have weekly video chats. These video chats are super important because it makes sure that I can edit your nutrition, your supplement, and your mental and spiritual homework accordingly. Again, life happens. Like as much as you want to say you want to commit to a certain type of diet for a month, something can happen halfway that kind of steers you in a different direction, or you feel like maybe you're not doing it to the best of your potential. So the 3-month gut healing program is really an ultimate package. I've never really worked with anyone after 3 months because I really pray I can help you those 3 months as best as possible. And I always give them the tools after the 3 months to be able to successfully keep healing on their own. Okay, so the next program, it's more of a budget-friendly program, and it's a 1-month gut healing starter kit. By the way, I'm not gonna disclose any prices, not because I'm trying to be shady or anything, but every program is really individual based, and I really like to talk with my clients or potential clients face-to-face or virtually first. So one, I can know that we're a good fit, and then we can discuss what's going on with them in their life and what's best for them. Because my only goal is to achieve your goals. If you guys are happy, then I'm happy. That's how it works for me. So stepping back into this 1-month gut healing starter kit, it is just to put you in the right direction. I get a lot of DMs and emails saying, hey, I know I have a poor gut, but I don't know where to start. And it's extremely overwhelming because trust me, I've been in your shoes. And as you've seen, if you've been here for a while, then I used to vlog like I didn't even know what I was doing. It's so overwhelming with the internet, with what to eat for diet, what supplements to take, what brand of supplements to take. It's really, really tough. And then on top of it, going to many different professionals and spending a lot of money and not seeing results or not getting the help that you actually deserve, it's exhausting. So the gut healing starter kit is made to save you time, money, and stress. It is really everything you need to start your gut healing journey successfully. You still have a health assessment, you still get personalized nutrition plan, you still get supplement plan, mindfulness exercises, and spiritual homework. The only difference is that there's no support on my end. I don't check in with you weekly, and if you just need me throughout the process, I still love to hear from my gut healing starter kit clients and see if it's working for them. And a lot of the times what happens is the gut healing starter kit clients turn into the 3-month program because they realize after the month that they need support and they want to do this the right way and just end whatever they're going through forever. But if you know you're really strict and you can be really diligent and can do this confidently on your own without someone holding your hand along the way, then this starter kit is perfect for you. So as of right now, it is September 22nd, 2020. I am taking on clients October to December, and I'm creating wait lists as well for January to March, especially for the 3-month gut healing program, because I can only take on so many at a time for that package. If you want to know more info, or if you're interested in booking a video chat with me to learn more, you have to click the description below. Then you'll see the first thing that you click is book a video chat with me. It will link you to my calendar, and then you want to click the green package which says start here. It also describes everything that I talked about in text, so you can read it over, you can ask your heart what's best for you, and remember that you have all of the answers. I'm only here for you to make your life easier, not harder. And I really hope this video provided you with some insight on what I do. If you have any other questions, or if you want to do a Q&A on my programs, please let me know in the comments below. That'd be really helpful for me, because I really just want to tailor to you guys as best as I can. I really hope I get the pleasure to meet some of you virtually. I would love if you could subscribe to my channel. I make videos every single Wellness Wednesday. So subscribe, like, you can click the bell just to see what time that I post it, but you should remember Wellness Wednesday, Shadness is about to post something. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok. I do a lot of Insta stories, which are more like daily updates and things like that if you want to follow me there. Sending you all so much love. Thank you so much for being here, and have a great day. Mwah! Bye!